Hey, hello guys, how are you? Welcome again to Dreamy Luke channel. It's Luke here, and in this video I like to talk about some words in Spanish that sound exactly the same or very similar but actually mean different things. So I'm gonna help you understand the difference between them, and keep in mind these are very common words, so you're gonna use them a lot, and for this reason it's very important for you to learn how to make the difference. So let's go with the first one, which you are going to use it in any conversation because you started with it, which is hola. And as you know by now, hola means hello. But we also have hola without the H, which means wave. And I told you in many other videos, the H in Spanish is not pronounced. So as you can see, we have hola with the H, and you don't pronounce the H at the beginning of the word. And then you have hola, which is pronounced exactly the same without the H. Hola with the H means hello, and hola without it means wave. When you go to the beach, you have waves from the water, right? Then you have hacia and hacía with accent. So hacia without the accent means towards something, to go towards something. And hacía is the imperfect of the verb hacer for the first and third person. Yo hacía with accent los deberes. I was doing my homework. So by now you already saw that we have words that the only difference is one letter, and then you have words that the only difference is that you have an accent or not. Then you have another word which is vienes with B, and then you have another one which is vienes, which is with V. But you know that here in Spain we pronounce the V word almost the same as B. So the first one, vienes with B, means the goods, the property that you have. Yo tengo muchos bienes. I have a lot of goods, a lot of property. And the vienes is the conjugation of the verb venir. Tú vienes, you come. Tú vienes, you come here. Then we have another one which is cerrar and cerrar. So cerrar means to close something. And cerrar with S, cerrar, means to sew something manually or automatically with a machine, to sew. Then we have another one which is cocer, with C, cocer, which is to cook something. And you have coser, which is to sew something. You see how similar they are, but actually they mean totally different things. Then you have onda with the H, and here again, onda. Onda with H means deep. For example, esa piedra está muy honda. That stone, it's so deep in the water. Esa piedra está honda. Honda, deep in the water. And then you have onda without the H, which means shock wave. Shock wave. The wave that you get when something explodes. Onda, wave. Then you have rebelarse with B and rebelarse with V. So what's the difference? Rebelarse means to rebel. Yo me rebelo contra algo. I'm rebelling against something. And then you have revelarse, which is to reveal oneself. Acaba de revelarse un secreto. A secret has just been revealed. Revelarse with B, to rebel, and revelarse with B, to reveal something. Now we have solo without accent, and then you have solo with accent. So what's the difference? Well, they are very different actually. Solo without the accent means lonely. Yo me siento solo. I feel lonely. Without the accent, okay? And then you have it with the accent, which means only. Yo solo tengo un teléfono. I only have, or I only own, one phone. And the same as before with the accent, you have another one. And you use it a lot too. Sí. Sí, without the accent, means if. For example, si vas tú, voy yo también. If you go, I'll go too. Sí without the accent. And then you have sí, which is yes. Are you coming to the party? Sí, yes, with the accent. Sí with the accent means yes. Then you have another one which is taza and taza. Taza with S and taza. And don't worry because we are going to make some pronunciation exercises in coming videos. But for the moment, taza and taza. Okay? The Z here in Spain is kind of difficult to pronounce for people who are beginners. But don't worry, I'm gonna give you some advices in future videos about how to pronounce that, okay? And tasa with S means rate. La tasa ha subido mucho. The rate has grown so much. And then you have taza with Z, which means cup. A cup of tea, una taza de té. Then you have azar and azar. Here again with the Z word and S word. Azar means to grill, to roast something. And azar means fate, chance. Voy a dejar esto en manos del azar. I'm gonna leave this to chance. Then you have bello and bello with B and the other one with B. Bello means something beautiful. For example, ese atardecer es muy bello. This sunset, it's so beautiful. And then you have bello, which means hair. For example, bello in the hands, hair. Then you have casa and caza with Z again, S and Z. Casa means house and caza means to go hunting. Me voy de caza. I'm going hunting. Now you can watch this video as many times as you need to learn them, to understand them, and you won't make any mistake in any conversation in Spanish. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope that all of these words help you. I hope that you understood them. And if you have any doubt, leave it in the comments. Like the video, share it, and subscribe for more Spanish learning lessons for you. Thank you very much.